In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flow. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Flow. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one and tap on Settings at the top. Then select I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select the Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. Then just swipe up from the button of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!